Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have here a bus. This is a touring bus, what can be a school bus or any bus that you would like. We installed the backup camera to, obviously when you put the vehicle back, you want to be able to see who's behind you, make it much easier. We have our heavy duty truck camera. This one has infrared IP69, made for outside working with no problems. In the front, so when you have a bus like this, you have a few options for screens. We have 7-inch screens, we have radios, we have a variety of options. But in this case, the customer just wanted to have a simple camera, but did not want to lose his rear view mirror and did not want to have an extra screen. So we replaced the mirror with our 7-inch mirror. You can see the mirror is directly to the windshield, so it's replacing the original mirror. Looks pretty much the same. Okay, pretty much the same. We removed the bracket, so it's not a clip-on, it's a nice clean, not a clip-on style one. And now I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm gonna open the door. So first of all, you can see the mirror is very clear. You can see me easy here. Put the key on and put the car in reverse. Once you put the car in reverse, we have the screen visible, camera visible on the mirror. Okay, and obviously when you put the car back in drive, the mirror goes back to normal. Now this mirror does have another video input, and you can see it's HD, so it's a high quality mirror. But after a few seconds, if there's nothing on the second video, then it goes back to the regular screen. You can, if you want, even add a front camera and another side camera. So 3-channel camera in this case. 3-channel mirror, sorry. And again, put it in reverse, and you have the image there. For more electronics and other stuff for vehicles, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.